Nice. Group attention.
Welcome. So today we're going to be demonstrating rope climb. Now we've already made a video on how to do the different footlocks. I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to check that out. And so now we're going to be demonstrating how the events actually run at competition. You need to make sure that you climb and you have a footlock going up and you also have a safe descent. Time will start when you touch the line. Let's get into it.
All right, group attention. 3, 2, 1, go.
Touch.
Touch.
Touch. Touch. Touch.
Touch.
Nice. Group attention.
Nice.
So that basically sums up how to do it. Obviously we are completely silent. You guys are more than welcome to cheer, do your spirit. The biggest thing is that you do it safely. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Like and subscribe the video? Yeah, like and subscribe the video. Don't forget to like and then also subscribe if you want more content like this. And we'll see you in the next one.